Easy. Take your time. Think slow motion. Yeah. Nice. Wasn't that great?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! I gotta take my horse to that trainer. Oh. Relax your horse first, okay? Try to play him down. Easy. Keep your hands just a little bit off your horse, okay? Just play him down a little bit. Play him down. That's it. That's it. Now ease him in there. Okay?